There's a moment that happens sometimes late at night. Maybe you're driving home. Maybe you're staring at the ceiling. Maybe you're walking through a quiet city while everyone else sleeps. And for a second, everything feels small. The stress, the bills, the noise, the pressure to become somebody. Because above you is something so massive that the human brain can barely process it. The universe. An endless ocean of stars stretching farther than we can even imagine. Right now, while you're listening to this, there are planets orbiting distant suns, entire galaxies colliding silently, black holes consuming stars older than humanity itself. And yet, the deeper we look into space, the stranger everything becomes. Because statistically, we should not be alone. There are billions of galaxies, trillions of planets, many of them much older than Earth, which means intelligent life should have appeared somewhere else by now. Maybe not once, maybe millions of times. Civilizations more advanced than us, older than us, smarter than us. So then comes the question asked by physicist Enrico Fermi. Where is everybody? No ships, no signals, no evidence, nothing, just silence. And that contradiction became known as the Fermi Paradox. At first, this sounds exciting. Aliens, civilizations, interstellar life. But the more scientists thought about it, the darker the theories became, because maybe the universe is silent for a reason. One explanation is called the Great Filter. The idea is terrifyingly simple. Somewhere in the path between dead matter and an advanced civilization, there is a wall. A filter, something that destroys almost every species before they become advanced enough to spread across the stars. Maybe intelligent life is incredibly rare. Maybe civilizations always destroy themselves. War, artificial intelligence, climate collapse, resource depletion. Maybe every civilization eventually creates technology powerful enough to erase itself. And the terrifying part is this. We don't know if humanity already passed the filter, or if it's still ahead of us. Think about that for a second. What if thousands, or even millions, of civilizations reached our level, only to disappear shortly after? What if every abandoned planet in the universe once had people staring up at their own night sky, wondering the exact same thing we are now? And then there's an even darker theory, the dark forest theory. Imagine the universe as a giant forest at night. Every civilization is a hunter, hiding silently in the dark. Nobody speaks. Nobody reveals their location. Because the moment you make yourself known, something else might hear you. And in a universe where survival matters more than morality, the safest option might be to eliminate potential threats before they become dangerous, which means the reason space feels silent might not be because nobody is there, but because everybody is hiding, listening, waiting. Maybe advanced civilizations already know something we don't. Maybe silence is survival. And maybe one day, humanity will have to decide whether reaching into the stars is worth the risk of something answering back.